Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Team SRMbytes. So, the problem statement given to us was to create an note making app, creative or unique note making app. So, we have created a web app named Jugaad Notes. So, let's see how the web app works. So, we have created a basic interface for adding a notes, and in sidebar, we have provided a separate interface for adding a to do list. So first we will see the add note interface. So here we can add a title of the note, like we are giving Sri Shalam trip. So like here we can add our own note, and simply clicking on add button, the trip will be added. So we have also integrated Gemini API alongside with it. So because what happens to nowadays, lots of people are not using Notes app, like uh, because they are too tired to create notes or something like that, and even sometimes we don't have ideas or something. So we have created integrated AI alongside it. Like you can see how this works. Like, so I will give the title Sri Silent Trip, and I can here on content button we can give a prompt to create a trip plan to Seychelles. So on clicking the AI button, now AI will generate a response. So as you can see, it has created a well 3-day trip plan according to it. So uh, if we want to add, we can add also, and we can reset. And now let's ask a recipe for dosa. So create a recipe for dosa. So on clicking AI again, it will now generate a note for the recipe. So as you can see, it has created a well structured recipe with ingredients alongside instructions and timeline also. So we can add here, and on clicking any note we can see the description. You can go back. As you can see, I have created some previous notes along. So with the use of AI, we can create well structured organized notes, and it makes the interface user friendly and very easy to use. We have added favorite options notes. So if we click on the favorite button, the notes will be sorted on top, and rest of the notes are sorted according to time. We can delete any note uh, with the delete button, as you can see. Now let's come to the to do sidebar. Here what we can do is, like we can add here simple tasks for which are of daily use, such as do homework. So we have created this for quick tasks. So we can see our long term tasks on the left side and some quick tasks on the right, which will be easy to use. As here also same functionalities have been added for favorite, deleting the task. Now a very unique feature, let's come to the most unique feature of our web app. We have created a mail scheduler. Like what happens is, like if sometimes we create note and we forget about it, so what we can do is, like we can schedule a mail pre-hand before, so that we don't forget about tasks or some meeting we have. So we can create a note before hand only, and it will send the mail at the scheduled time. So let's come to it. Like send, we this is the subject. Here we can send anything, meeting invite links, etc., and this is the subject what will be sent, and here we have to keep the email id of the person whom we have to send the mail. From here we can select the time, as it is 6:27 now, so I am scheduling the mail for 6:28 and date is today. And clicking add button, it will successfully schedule an email. Here it is showing the it is sent email, as it is 6:28 now, the mail was sent. So we can check here, like, no, see, a new mail has come at 6:28, and as you can see the subject which we entered has came, and this is the authorized email id which we have integrated at the backend from which the mails are sent. So this is a very helpful feature, as it will reduce the chances of forgetting any task, and it can also make things easier if we add more functionality to it, like to multiple persons we can send email in future if we work more on this app. So thank you, this is the final submission for our hackathon.